Trump said that he wants to do a deal with China. Now, so far, no indication from the government here that a deal is imminent. I think one of the issues is that we've got two very strong leaders, and neither of them want to lose face. They're kind of in this very high-stakes game of chicken right now. There's also a difficulty when it comes to the systems. Trump talks about wanting to pick up the phone and talk to President Xi Jinping, but in Beijing, things aren't done like that. They really want to hammer things out with the US at the lower levels, and before things even reach Xi Jinping, they want to have some sort of certainty. So that could be an obstacle. However, we have had China release a white paper on Wednesday afternoon. This took a kind of softer tone. It talked about the importance of the US-China trading relationship as win-win. Beijing also defended its behavior in the Phase 1 deal. It said that China wanted to buy more from the US, but the pandemic affected output and it affected prices, that it didn't on purpose really extend this trade deficit. So China portraying itself as a good faith actor here, and also saying that it does want to return to dialogue with Washington, but on equal footing.
So a high-stakes game of chicken, as you say, between these two political strongmen. But what does all of this mean when it comes to the markets, looking at the consequences of 125% tariffs?
Investors here certainly also have whiplash like the rest of the world. Chinese stock markets, though, ended on the green before the midday break today on Thursday. Shanghai is up about 1%, Shenzhen 2%. The Hong Kong's Hang Seng is up about 1.8%. It did lose some of those earlier gains when the markets opened earlier. Some of the reasons that we're seeing some stability here is that China's state fund has been pouring billions of dollars into stabilizing the stock market, so there is strong government intervention there. China's Commerce Ministry has also, just in the past hour, released a plan to stimulate domestic consumption that's expected to help cushion China from some of those tariff blows. And we are expecting more support from the government to bolster the economy. Another thing, this tariff reprieve, although it wasn't granted to Beijing, it was given to all of China's trading partners. So that is seen as a good thing for China. And also, even though Xi Jinping is not talking to Donald Trump this week at least, he is talking to other countries' leaders. The Spanish Prime Minister is in China now for meetings with Xi, and he is planning a trip to Vietnam, Malaysia and Cambodia next week to deepen ties with those nations.
All right, Katrina, many thanks for that. Katrina, you